do is, first thing, we got to take this old ammo can and kind of clean it up a little bit. I mean, who knows what kind of, oh, you don't need to see that. Who knows what kind of ammo it was storing, you know, back in World War II. No, I'm just kidding. Military style from Harbor Freight. Let's see if we can peel this off one-handed. See, this is where the magnet comes into place. Oh, there we go. I should have done that first so you guys couldn't see it was a Harbor Freight ammo can. But we're gonna put a couple of cup holders in this. Do you have a center console in your Scout? Well, I do, and mine sucks. It's just doesn't have any real good storage. So today we're gonna fix that. Welcome to the channel. I'm Mike. This is the Scout, and we are making a new center console today. Definitely need a lot more practice, but looks pretty good. We're gonna use some black edge coat, go around the edges. We'll make sure it's open inside. So I'm adding this edge coat. I don't like leaving just an open edge, and I'm not very good at burnishing the edges, so that's why I like using this black edge coat. We got around to just finally edge coating and finishing the wallet.
It's certainly not just happiness. It's better than happiness, but it's almost unbearable.
Just a little bit of water from there. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Okay. All right, we got our piece of leather we're gonna use for the wallet, and we're just gonna eyeball this. We're gonna add just the one extra pump, then we're gonna let it sit here for just a second, really get that press in. Okay, this is make or break time. Alright, the 3D print is done. I got a test piece of leather. We're gonna do that first. I'm just out here on the press. I don't use the press I have in my office. It just doesn't give as much pressure, obviously. So I use my Harbor Freight 20 ton. Obviously I don't go to 20 tons, but I'll set you guys up. All right, so we just got a piece of leather. Hi, welcome to the channel. My name's Mike, and this is the Scout, Scout 369. Today we're going to turn this into this. So today we're making a leather wallet. We're going to go through the process of cutting out the leather, gluing it, sewing it, stamping it, finishing it, We're gonna go through everything from start to finish. It's all handcrafted, and I'm just gonna kind of take. I'm using the template as just kind of a guide to give me an idea of how big of a piece I need to cut out. I'm trying to cut them out as close to the size of the guide that I can, but leaving me a little bit of space. This just makes it so I'm not using the entire yard of leather to try and move around to get the finer detailed cuts. So I got all the pieces cut out. Now what I'm going to do is go in and make those finer detailed cuts and actually cut right along the guide. Make sure I get as close to the guide as I possibly can so that everything's going to fit in the end. Take a little bit off at a time if you're new to this. You can always take more off, but you cannot put more leather back on. So you can see it's a lot easier to make these type of cuts with smaller pieces instead of trying to use that entire yard of leather.